Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning boho style mountains texture art, which is a two-piece decor set. This piece can seamlessly bring an enchanting charm to your living space. So let's get started. First, take two MDF boards, join them together using a masking tape. On the other side, apply a layer of gesso or white acrylic paint and let it dry completely. This is a crucial step that provides a layer of protection to our art piece and ensures a smooth painting surface like a canvas. With our board prepped and ready, begin by sketching the outline of mountains. It's time to let our imagination roam free. Then let's add that captivating texture that makes our mountains come alive. Prepare your texture paste using your desired colors. The texture paste adds depth, dimension, and that touch of magic that turns a simple piece into a work of art. I have already uploaded a video on how to make an affordable texture paste. I will give you the link in my description. Go check it out after watching this video. Now unleash your inner artist. Apply the texture paste meticulously on each mountain layer by layer. Watch as your creation transforms before your eyes. Each stroke adds a new layer of character to your art. Here, on the center big mountain, I used a serene white shade which reflects the purity and grandeur of the peaks. For the adjacent mountains, I used 3 shades of green which symbolize the lush green forests. Finally, peel back the layers of masking tape to unveil the seamless connection of the two pieces, creating a harmonious two-piece decor set that radiates boho charm and nature's tranquility. As we conclude this video, remember that every stroke, every texture, and every hue is a reflection of your own unique artistic voice. I hope this video has helped you to embark on your own texture art journey. If you found this DIY adventure inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such art content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.